welcome back to Do It Yourself. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper wallet. And all you're going to be needing is one piece of paper, no scissors, no glue, nothing else than just paper. Okay, girl, grab your paper, any color and any size, but it has to be a rectangular shape. And by the time you'll come back, I'll be starting the video. So go grab your stuff. Okay, I hope you got your stuff because now I'm going to be starting. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. Up this way. Then you're going to go like this so it's extra. Okay, once you do that, you're going to unfold it. And then you see that line down the middle? You're going to fold it in just like this. Same thing to the other side. And no need to rush. I would want you to get this right. So go at your own pace, pause this whenever you want. And yeah. So then you're going to pick one of these sides. I'm going to pick this one. You're going to unfold it. But then you see this line right here. It's the one you just folded on. You're going to fold it towards that. And then fold it like this. So, yeah, so then it should look like this. Then you're going to flip it over. Then you could do it as high or as low as you want, as long as you get it even. You're going to fold it up like this. Same thing to the other side, even, you have to do it even. Okay, so it should look like this. It's not supposed to stay down because, it's okay. It's not going to stay down the first time. After you do that, you're going to do both sides. You're going to lift this out, make sure you don't rip it, and you're going to fold it in this, like a corner. So, just like this. You're going to fold it in. And once you do that, you're going to fold it up. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other side on this long piece. Out, and then fold it in. And then like that again. And now you're almost done. Now you're going to fold it in half. Now this is the most confusing part people usually have. You're going to lift it up and you're going to just do one of the sides. People always pull both of them out and they end up ripping it. But you're just going to do the front and then put it in. Same thing to the other side. You can do it any way you want as long as it comes out looking like this. So you're technically done. Now all you're going to have to do is fold it in half again. And now there you go. Here's your paper wallet. Pretty cool. You have 3 compartments right here, and the secret compartment underneath. And you don't have to go like this and it keeps unfolding. You can just slide it under this compartment. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and please watch our other videos. Hope you liked it, and bye!